আপনাদের সবাইকে a very happy and prosperous Durga Pujo. There's a kahavat in Bengali, sir, 12 মাসে 13 পার্বণ, which means in 12 mahine mein we have 13 festivals. The Ma was actually there. Ma is actually there during the Pujo ceremony, which is why it makes it so special. Also Navratri, after that Kali Pujo, then Diwali. I'm very confused between talking in Hindi, Bangla and English.
Hello everyone, my name is Rudrani and welcome to Speak Easy. Today my guests are very musical and are bringing in the royal vibes. I'm talking about the very talented Moni Roy and of course Jatinder Ji. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining in.
Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.
We've been
How are you, Rudrani, first of all?
I know, how are you?
I'm very well. Shubho Shoshti.
Shubho Shoshti. It's Shoshti, it's Durga Puja and I think I'm feeling good. It's so much better than the last time we spoke. The world has opened up a little bit. Yeah. But I'm good. Thank you for asking. And you're looking lovely, by the way.
Thank you so much. So are you?
I was talking about the grandeur of the song. Or जैसा कि हम beginning में कह रहे थे कि it gives you very Sanjay Leela Bhansali vibes with the grandeur and you know the entire look and the way you've dressed, and it's got that ancient. The name of the song is Joda, but it also gets you a little bit of Jodha Akbar vibes. It gets like all Bhansali फिल्मों की एक vibes तो आती है गाने.
देखिए ये बात बिल्कुल मैं ना तो इग्नोर करूंगा ना मैं ये इसको हाइड करूंगा. ये मुझे जो इसका आइडिया जो जहन में कहीं था, मैंने बाजीराव मस्तानी देखी थी ना
जी.
मैं थोड़ा सा ना घरेलू टाइप और अपने गुरुजी के पास बहुत टाइम व्यतीत किया, तो मैं म्यूजिक के अलावा और आर्टिस्टिक बातों के अलावा मतलब इस शहर में आए मुझे 18 साल हो गए, कोई मतलब कहीं जाता नहीं मैं ज्यादा, मतलब मैं अपने स्टूडियो में अपने घर में, वही मुझे अच्छा लगता है. ये जब पिक्चर देखी, क्योंकि संजय जी बहुत कमाल के मेकर हैं, बहुत ही कमाल के, तो मुझे उसमें जो काशी का कैरेक्टर था वो कहीं छुआ कि एक औरत जो रानी भी है पदवी से और पत्नी भी है, बहुत बड़ी पदवी होती है, तो मुझे वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरे जहन में था. तो वहीं से वो बात निकलती कि वो काशी ने क्या महसूस किया. हम इश्क कर सकते हैं लेकिन रिश्ते से बड़ा इश्क नहीं होता, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो मुझे वहीं से कहीं वो माइंड में था, तो वही एरा क्रिएट होता गया और कुछ नया बना, लेकिन काशी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से, ना मस्तानी ना, लेकिन कि काशी ने क्या महसूस किया. और वो मोनी जी ने जो स्क्रीन पे दिया, मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं अगर शायद मैं कहीं और काम करता तो शायद वो चीज ना मिलती.
Like he mentioned, was that also told to you that way? The fact that you're bringing in forward कि काशी का perspective is what you're going to show.
Yes, no, not exactly Kashi, but yes, हमने वो बाद में discuss किया. But in the beginning, मैं एकदम शुरू से शुरू करती हूँ. First I heard the song. I absolutely loved it. I thought, and you know, the grandeur that you're talking about, I think it's somehow, if you listen to the audio, it is so strong. He has made it so beautifully. The writers have written it so beautifully. Also, Afsana has sung it so, it's like she has such strength in her voice. So मुझे पता था that this song will be shot in a very big lavish way. There won't be any you can't do a shortcut with a song like this. Like you have to go all the way and do it with all the tamjham. So and after that our conversation started and discussion. So पहली बात जब first time only I spoke to him, he told me how he needed my 100% and the fact that I'm a Bengali and the whole song is in Punjabi, so the lip sync has to be correct. So I had to memorize the song. So he told me the meaning of the entire song also. And sometimes मैं भूल जाती थी ना, तो I used to ask somebody from my team कि please तेरे को पूछो ना इन lines की मतलब
correct
कि meaning क्या है, क्योंकि meaning के बिना I didn't want to work. So it was a long process. So जब आपका prep work इतना होता है तो आपको पता है कि आप shoot के दिन there won't be any a lot of time for or scope for a lot of mistakes, or they must be very well prepped with, and we shot at a beautiful location at a beautiful mahal literally in Jaipur. So yeah, I wasn't expecting anything less than this, but we have really worked very hard on this song. This is not shot like an usual song, you know, where you go and like easy breezy. The outfits. Also talking about Ali, I think he's done such a brilliant job with his character, you know, and I couldn't have imagined a better co-star. He's so patient, so nice, So
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
and we're missing him here today, actually.
It's great, right? And I feel like the songs that you pick have this slight rustic Indian traditional vibe to it. And that is, I think,
Those are the
important.
songs that are coming to me also. Let's just be very honest.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But tell me, Moni, what are you also looking forward to? I know there are a lot of things happening in your career as well. Tell me the kind of films that you're looking forward to and what's happening.
Well, I'm waiting for Penthouse to release. It's a Netflix original.
Of course.
Brahmastra. I have signed two new things, but I can't talk about them. And I'm really excited to start shooting. The announcement should come from the makers, I guess. And that should happen soon. So let's say the next few months is going to be very busy.
I feel like now that the since you brought up the Brahmastra subject, you playing the antagonist, and then of course the real life couple Ranbir and Arya coming together. I think there's a lot of anticipation around that as well. And I feel it only rises, right? Now, when do you get to finally talk more about it?
আমি সত্যি জানি না মিথ্যে কথা বলছি না I don't think anybody knows. I am sure now that the theaters are opening up, they'll also
It is Durga Puja. We are still in a pandemic, but tell me, how excited are you? How are you going to spend this entire week?
I'm working every day, but I just want to do my Anjali on Ashtami, Mahashtra. So I just hope I get to do that. That's all.
And tell me, why is Durga Puja special to you? I mean, it's obviously special to us. We are Bengalis, but
because
what is it that
Adya Ma coming between us? Because it's Pujor Bandho. It's like the smell in the air is different. It's like because that is how we celebrated life. Literally, I'm sure you also know. All year long, you would only wait for Durga Puja to come to have that bhog, do the Ashtami Anjali, and then have that bhoger prasad. And I'm very confused between talking in Hindi, Bangla, and English.
That's fine.
So, wearing those, even as a little girl, I remember we used to all wear those cotton saris and, chota chota blouses and chota chota saris. So it was a different, I feel like the Ma was actually there. Ma is actually there during the Puja time, which is why it makes it so special. Also Navratri, after that Kali Pujo, then Diwali. So this time is, and there's a kahavat in Bengali, sir, Baro Mashe Tero Parbon, which means in 12 mahine mein we have 13 festivals. So our main has always been the Durga Puja, which is why it's very, very special.
You're going to miss home and family, because I am missing a lot.
No, I am missing my family. I always miss them, honestly. They come and stay with me for 3-4 months in a year. Because of the pandemic, I haven't been home in like 3 years. So I really hoped that my mom would be here, but my brother has started a new job in Kolkata, and then mom is very happy with her brother and sister. So I didn't want to kind of, puncture her happiness. So she's very happy there, which makes me very happy. And this Pujo has to be without family. Last year also we were together. Year before that we weren't because of because of COVID. So yeah.
Well, I hope you have a great Pujo. Happy Durga Puja to you.
Happy Durga Puja. Happy Navratri.
Happy Navratri to Jatinder ji as well.
আপনাদের সবাইকে a very happy and prosperous Durga Pujo. কিন্তু pandemic এখনো শেষ হয়নি. The pandemic is not over yet. So please follow all the protocols. Yes, do your pujo at home. Maybe visit a pandal for all your Anjalis. But please be safe, and please take precautions. Thank you so much. All my love.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Jatinder ji. Lots of love. Lots of love, Moni. Bye.